Hi, I'm Jon Golding. Welcome to Nissan Sunnyvale, a proud member of DGDG.com. I'm the owner loyalty manager and the EV ambassador, and I'm going to show you how to use the 2018 Nissan LEAF e-pedal. Now we're inside, and I'm going to show you how the e-pedal works. First, you turn on the switch. E-pedal is now on, and you see it lighting up on the dash. It's just like using a foot pedal on your sewing machine or bandsaw. When you step on it, it goes and goes faster, and when you back off the pedal, it allows your vehicle to come to a complete stop. And when you're ready to go, you press on the pedal again. It's perfect for bumper-to-bumper driving. You only have to use one pedal. Some frequently asked questions on how to use the e-pedal. Can you turn it on while you're moving? Yes, you can. You can turn it on while you're stationary or while you're moving. Is it good for driving anytime? Absolutely. You can do it in bumper-to-bumper traffic or regular utilization of the car. Also, if you have an emergency and you need to stop in a hurry, definitely engage your brake as you normally would. It will bring the vehicle to a stop. I hope you had fun with the test drive showing you how to use the e-pedal. Be happy.